Okay, so we are checking into Cabana Bay at room A816. All right, so checking out this room tour for here at Volcano Bay. We're gonna start here in the bathroom. Got you a standard sink. Oh, I'm actually taking a shower. Let's turn this light on here. Just a little walk-in shower here. It's even walkable too. I'm 6'2", so we're gonna get a little room in here. Of course, I'm not gonna turn the shower while I'm in here, but let's turn it around. And let's do the old toilet flush test. All right, show us the room, Maddie. Give us a tour.
This is my doll stuff. And also a comfy bed.
All right, so Matt says bed's comfy. So you got 2 queen beds, standard outlets over here. Got you an old clock. Got you a phone. You can dial in. You got some stuff you can put here. Got you a drawer.
And also,
looks like you got some lights here that turn on and off. Liking the little decor in here. But out here you get these big old windows, and I love big windows. But what I really like is the view from Volcano Bay.
Mommy, look, I can see the whole.
But I don't see the volcano though. But I do see the slide, so you gotta get a little view. So maybe I'll sit here and watch people. Maybe somebody will fall off it. And if you really look out that way, you can actually see Epcot from here. Right, one point that straight down. You might not be able to see it, but I can see it from here. But straight shot, you can see Epcot. Hey, Maddie, you can see Guardians of the Galaxy from here.
Yeah. And today I'm 5.
You're 5? Happy birthday, Maddie. So, like I said, just your standard view of here at Cabana Bay, and so we'll be here for the next 4 days. So, hope you enjoyed this room tour. So, bye-bye.
Bye. I'm gonna go in there now.
Yeah, maybe let's come back out here Sunday and check it out.
And I'm gonna go in there.
Okay.
When?
One more little 360 view of the room.
Mommy.
And just to add to it, while we're spinning around, I've stayed at plenty of Universal rooms, but at all the rooms, this is a standard room, and I have actually more space than the other rooms I've stayed at in the past. So just notate that. And the vlog is out.
Oh my God, where your eyes from?